Hey guys, welcome to Andrew Malero State Park. So the trail that we'll be doing is Creamery Meadow, Ridge, Panorama, and Bluff Trail. They're all combined into one. Okay, let's get started. inside of a teepee on the beach. For the trail, please bring some long sleeve shirt or something to cover your head and your face with, because there is pretty much no shade, so you are gonna get burnt alive out there if you don't have one of these. Especially when you get to the beach area, you're gonna get a bit chilly like I am. So, and also at the beginning of the hike there was a river you have to cross. I suggest bringing an extra pair of socks or even water shoes, because it does hurt a tad bit when you walk over those rocks. Hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure here in Andrew Malera State Park, and that hike was really hard. I'm gonna go find ourselves something maybe a little bit easier and definitely with more shade. Until then, I'm gonna see you guys somewhere else in California, wherever that may be. Yeah, bye for now.